I'm Clarence Messer. I'm in welding. This is another skill that I'd always like to have. Most companies around here recommend that you go here for training. It's got a really high turnout rate. A lot of people have come here and gotten really good jobs. I really didn't have a great time in school, but I'm super happy to be here every day. Everything we've been doing in welding class has really sparked more interest than I thought I would even have. It's a lot more enjoyable to be here. I'm always excited to come back. Everyone here is really nice, really helpful. It's just all kinds of people. If someone's not doing too well, everyone wants to help out with them. Just so many different people to learn from. It's become like a nice little family. I think it'll give me a lot of opportunities to get myself in a really well-paying job and secure my future. The skills and knowledge that you'll get here will help you forever.